So there's gonna be a quick video about how you change the head on your Quip toothbrush. That's the toothbrush right here. You can see the head is definitely worn out and you wanna go ahead and change that. You're gonna need one of these. This is a refill kit and you basically get 2 of them in this box, and they say change it out every 6 months. It's not a lot to it. Basically what you wanna do, open this thing up. They come in these cool little packages here. Slide that out. There's a little sticker up here. And take that apart. There's your brand new Quip head. Just a kind of little button, nothing else there to it, right? Here is your toothbrush. And what you want to do is look at these 2 little dots right here. That's the key. A lot of people, from what I've seen, think they need to twist it. I first thought you need to twist it along this angle here, but that's not the case. Now's the time to actually separate the brush head from the base. And this part's a little bit confusing, but it has these 2 little dimples, and it kind of makes it seem like you want to turn it by pushing here, or turn it by pushing here on those dimples or pulling it. And that's basically all wrong. What you really need to do is hold it like this. Put this thumb against those dimples and now apply pressure away from you and it'll pop out. If you try to pop it this way, you'll see it won't work because this piece extends and you could harm the insides. Basically, you don't want to do that. You'll break it. Don't apply undue pressure. What you want to do is hold it like this away from you. Put your thumb here on those dimples. Push it away in a slight arc as if you're trying to round it, and then pull it. It's a pretty simple process. Now you that new brush head, and this one's very simple. You just line those dots up to where they were. You line this little indentation here will line up with this notch right there. And you want to just pop it in shape just like that. You'll feel a nice little click. It'll make its buzzing sound, and now your new brush head will work. Again, very simple. See where you see that Quip logo? Get your thumb right here on those dots. Push it away from you, do a little pop, it'll come out, and to push it back, you just push it back. Very simple with the brush lined up. There's nothing here for it to see, but use this highest point here on this angle. That highest point is where those 2 dimples will go. It'll be the exact opposite of where the brush goes. And that is how you change the brush head on your Quip toothbrush. Thanks for watching.